Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. We're here in Tetonia, Idaho today installing this Caldera Reunion hot tub. So come along with us and we'll show you how it's done. We'll need to set it down so the tub slides off this way. So we'll pull it up onto the concrete.
Freight car, steaming down the line to Birmingham. My guitar is the only friend that gives a damn. Running on the borderline, southbound on a riverboat to Baton Rouge. Hellbound like a rambler with them Cajun blues. Rolling down the waterline.
Alright, so I just got the tub all hooked up to power. So now we're gonna fill the tub with water and I'll hook up the Bluetooth system while it's filling up.
Shook down, Delta lady, won't you free my soul? Send me back to Caroline.
So this is the one that actually allows it to hook up to the mobile app and actually look at the tub from the app on your phone. It's the subwoofer for the Bluetooth sound system. So we're gonna have to mount this inside of the tub itself. So you'll be able to hook up your phone and it will play through the subwoofer and all the small speakers that are inside the tub.
Red dress by a woman, such a pretty thing. Heartless, took my money and my diamond ring.
So I just barely finished installing the subwoofer, the Wi-Fi kit, the salt system, and the Bluetooth. So everything is ready to go. Now we just need to wait for the tub to actually finish filling. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got the tub all filled and ready to go. The sound system works great and the customers are super happy with it. So thank you for coming along with us and we'll see you next time.